Hey, alrighty then. Let's have a little fun. What is that there? What does that say? It says the distance from Bahamas to Italy is 5,071.8 miles. Okay? It has it in kilometers. And then it has it in nautical miles. In kilometers, it's 8,162.2. And nautical miles, all right, it is 4,404.3. See, now I can punch in on my keyboard anything I want to know, and immediately, in less than a tenth of a second, it will give me the answer for any mathematical question. I can say, what is the height of the Empire State Building? What is the mileage from Taiwan to Japan or Japan to Greenland? I can ask it the temperature, how hot it is, when it's going to snow. Do you understand me? Then, there's another beautiful thing that Google has. All right? And it's on my phone. It's called Ask Google. Let's see how this works. Shall we? Okay. Okay, Google. How tall is the Empire State Building?
The Empire State Building is 1,250 feet tall.
Wow. See, no matter what I ask, I will get the answer in seconds, less than a tenth of a second. Okay, Google. How far is it from Minnesota to New York?
The drive from Minnesota to New York is 1,360.4 miles.
No shit. That is fucked up. How far is it from, let's say, I don't know, Japan to Greenland? How about that? Okay, Google. How far is it from Japan to Greenland?
The distance from Japan to Greenland is 8,011 kilometers.
Holy shit. That fast. You see how fast that is? Now, you can ask this almost anything. You really can. The only thing you can't type in on any search engine on your fucking keyboard, on your fucking phone, you cannot ask Google only one thing. Now, trust me when I tell you, I can ask Google any fucking thing I want. In less than a tenth of a second, it will give me the correct answer in either kilometers, nautical miles, inches, doesn't fucking matter. The problem is, the only motherfucking thing it cannot give me the answer to is whenever I ask the curvature from point A to point B on any place on this globe. Okay? And I'm going to prove it to you. Now, for you dumbasses, that's 100% proof of the Earth being 100% flat because there's no answer to it. Now, this day and age, 2017, we have the technology to measure curvature. Okay? We have GPS, which can measure curvature. We have lasers, which can measure curvature. But there isn't any technology that we've used to actually get these figures or numbers. It's never been calculated because you can't type it into any search engine. You can't type it into any keyboard. Pick a search engine, pick a keyboard, pick a computer, use a NASA's supercomputer. There is no such thing and no such answer for what is the curvature from New York to California? They're not going to give you an answer. Do you understand me? Now, if you go to any map made by any man on this earth, they have every bit of information you need on that map and every bit of information you don't need on a map. Coordinates, miles, you name it. It's on the fucking map. Do you know what's not on these maps? Not on any map known to mankind. Never will be. There will never be a map made with, guess it, that's right, curvature. There's no map that shows the curvature on the map. Isn't that funny? It should be like, what's the curvature from fucking Australia to United States or Taiwan? Doesn't matter because they're not going to give you the motherfucking answer. But you can ask Google any fucking thing else. And then immediately, what? I did it. I showed you. Let's do it again for fun. Okay, Google. What's the distance between Australia and California?
Here is information from distance from to.
Okay, well, they didn't hear me right. Okay, Google. What's the mileage from California to New York?
The drive from California to New York is 2,912.9 miles.
And what's the okay, Google. What's the tallest building in Taiwan?
According to Wikipedia, Taipei 101 displays the Petronas Towers as the tallest building in the world by 57.3 meters.
Holy fuck, thank you very much. Okay, Google, one more question for you. What's the curvature from New York to California? It don't fucking know. Do you understand me? Now, it comes up with searches that have nothing to do with my question. Okay, Google. What is the curvature from Australia to Greenland?
It's 88 degrees in Sydney right now.
Oh, is it 80 degrees in Sydney right now? Well, what about the motherfucking curvature? Let's ask one more time. Okay, Google. What is the curvature from Australia to the Bahamas? Doesn't have an answer for you. Okay, Google. What is the curvature from Kentucky to California? Wah, wah. Do you understand this? This should be on every 8-year-old school kid's mind. When the teacher goes, what is the curvature from New York to California? A little girl will raise her hand. That's an easy one. It's on all the maps. It's in all the textbooks. It's everywhere. Do you understand me? This information should be everywhere, and by all means, it should be on Wikipedia. Wikipedia should have instant access to it. Now, I challenge any stupid moron who believes the world's a globe to use their favorite search engine and find out any curvature from any place on this stupid earth. Google, what is the curvature from Italy to Taiwan?
€1 equals 33 new Taiwan dollars and 93 cents.
Okay. This thing has never gotten my voice wrong. I could have marbles in my mouth and it understands every fucking thing that I'm saying. Only time it makes a mistake is if I put that little fucking word curvature. Okay? Doesn't like that word. Doesn't know how to answer that. You understand me? I could have a whole slice of cake in my mouth, mumble something into Google, and it understands me. What it doesn't understand is curvature. It doesn't exist.